Hello, investors. Welcome back to our channel. If you're ready to embark on a journey towards financial success, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the vast world of investments and discovering who can truly benefit from them. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, stick around for insights that can transform your financial future. Certainly, investing is a versatile financial tool that offers benefits to individuals across all age groups, income levels, and financial situations. Its potential advantages extend beyond mere wealth accumulation, encompassing a spectrum of financial objectives. One of the primary benefits of investing lies in the opportunity to grow your wealth over time. By strategically allocating funds into various investment vehicles, individuals can witness the appreciation of their assets, laying the foundation for a more secure financial future. For those eyeing retirement, investing serves as a crucial means to amass the necessary funds for a comfortable post-employment life. The compounding effect of investments can significantly augment the size of a retirement nest egg, providing a financial cushion for the later stages of life. Moreover, investing proves instrumental in planning for major life events, such as education expenses. Parents can utilize investment vehicles to systematically save for their children's education, ensuring that the financial burden of academic pursuits is more manageable. The dream of homeownership, often perceived as a distant goal for many, becomes more attainable through strategic investment. By directing funds towards investments that offer long-term growth, individuals can accumulate the necessary down payment for their dream home. Beyond these traditional objectives, investing can also be a powerful tool for achieving a myriad of financial goals. Whether it's saving for an extravagant vacation or funding the inception of a new business venture, the versatility of investment options allows individuals to tailor their strategies to meet specific aspirations. Of course, there is no guarantee that you will make money when you invest. However, the potential rewards of investing can outweigh the risks for many people. Here are some specific examples of who can benefit from investing. Young professionals and millennials. Young professionals and millennials find themselves at the threshold of their financial journey, armed with the invaluable asset of time. The beauty of investing at this stage lies in the potential for compounding, a force that amplifies returns over time. Commencing their investment journey early allows them to harness the power of compounding, witnessing their wealth snowball exponentially over the years. Additionally, the youth demographic possesses a unique advantage: the flexibility to navigate the volatility associated with riskier assets. Armed with a longer time horizon, young investors can afford to weather market fluctuations, understanding that they have ample time for potential recovery. This ability to embrace risk positions them favorably to explore investment opportunities that may offer higher returns, albeit with increased volatility. In essence, for young professionals and millennials, investing is not just a financial strategy, it's a strategic advantage. The combination of time, compounding, and risk tolerance creates a potent formula for building substantial wealth over the long term. Parents planning for education expenses. Parents grappling with the burgeoning costs of education discover comfort in the strategic incorporation of investing into their financial planning. The imperative becomes crafting a financial safety net through the establishment of college funds and education savings accounts. Investing serves as a proactive measure, not only shielding against the upward trajectory of educational expenses, but also guaranteeing that parents can furnish their children with a sturdy foundation for their academic endeavors. The foresight in utilizing investment tools for educational planning lies in its potential for growth and wealth accumulation over time. By directing funds into investment vehicles tailored to educational goals, parents position themselves to navigate the financial challenges associated with providing quality education. In essence, investing becomes a means not only to counteract the financial strain of education costs, but to actively contribute to securing a brighter and more prosperous future for their children. Retirees and pensioners. Dispelling the misconception that investing is exclusively for the young, retirees and pensioners can extract significant advantages from prudent investment strategies. Given that retirement can span decades for many individuals, The role of a diversified investment portfolio becomes instrumental in meeting various financial objectives. For retirees, the primary goal is often generating a reliable income stream. Thoughtfully selected investments, such as dividend-paying stocks or interest-bearing bonds, can provide a steady source of income, ensuring financial stability throughout the golden years. Additionally, investing serves as a potent tool to combat the eroding effects of inflation, preserving the purchasing power of their savings. Entrepreneurs and business owners. Entrepreneurs and business owners discover in investing not just a tool for personal wealth growth, but also a means to expand their entrepreneurial footprint. By channeling profits back into their ventures or diversifying into other investment avenues, entrepreneurs fortify their financial resilience and cultivate additional revenue streams, thereby fortifying the foundations of their enterprises. Individuals saving for big life events. Life's major milestones, such as purchasing a home, marriage, or entrepreneurial ventures, necessitate strategic financial planning. Investing emerges as a potent ally, outpacing the growth potential of traditional savings accounts and expediting the realization of financial aspirations. It becomes a dynamic force, propelling individuals towards their significant life goals with increased efficiency. Anyone planning for retirement. The centrality of investing in retirement planning cannot be overstated. As traditional pension plans dwindle, individuals assume greater responsibility for their retirement savings. Employer-sponsored retirement accounts like 400 and ONIC, send individual retirement accounts, IRAs, become indispensable conduits for channeling investments, forming the bedrock of a secure and flourishing retirement fund. Charitable organizations and foundations. Even within the realm of nonprofit entities, the benefits of investing are evident. Charitable organizations and foundations, through astute management of their endowments and investments, secure a sustainable income source for their noble causes. This ensures a lasting impact and greater efficacy in pursuing their philanthropic missions over the long term, underscoring the universality of investing's positive influence. Informed decision-making, guided by financial professionals and thorough research, is imperative to unlock the full potential of investing and tailor strategies to specific goals and risk tolerances. And that concludes our exploration into the world of investing. We hope you've gained valuable insights that inspire you to take the next steps towards financial success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, the key to a secure financial future lies in informed and strategic investing. Until next time, happy investing.